Slaying the phrase, slay. Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the fun and versatile world of the English phrase, slay. Whether you've come across it in pop culture or in daily conversations, we're here to break it down for you. Let's uncover its meaning, usage, and the context where you might hear it. Originally, slay is a verb that means to kill something or someone, especially in a violent way. It's often used in historic or fantasy contexts, such as, the knight slew the dragon. Over time, its meaning has evolved in informal language, and it has taken on new, more positive connotations. In today's pop culture and casual conversation, slay often has a very different meaning. When someone says, "You slay," or "She's slaying that outfit," they're not talking about anything violent. Instead, they're complimenting someone for doing something exceptionally well. It can be related to their appearance, performance, or any other activity where they've stood out. Examples: Beyoncé slays every performance she gives. You slay that new hairstyle. While slay is frequently used in a positive context nowadays, it's crucial to understand the context in which it's used. If you're reading a historic novel or watching a fantasy movie, slay probably has its original violent meaning. On the other hand, in modern songs or casual chats, it's likely a compliment. If you want to use slay in your conversations, here's a quick guide. 1. As a compliment, you slay the presentation today. 2. Referring to oneself, I'm going to slay this job interview. 3. Asking for approval, do I slay this dress? Remember, like with many slang terms, using slay appropriately requires understanding the context and the feelings of the people you're talking to. Slay is a fantastic example of how language evolves over time. From its original meaning of a violent act, it has transformed into a term of praise in modern English. We hope this explainer has helped you grasp the essence and usage of slay. So, the next time someone tells you that you slay, wear that compliment with pride.